Okay, Year 7s, if you would like to present your information using a website, then this is the best website to use. This is a short little tutorial to run you through how to get it started. So access the website www.wix.com, and then that will take you to this page. From here, you go to Get Started. Now, click on New to Wix, Sign Up, and then pop in your email address, and then type it in again. And then create a password. And sign up. Make sure you save your password so that way you don't lose it. All right, now you go to Let's Do It. Now I'll start up to ask you a few questions. I want to create a site for, you can fill this in, but you can also skip. So we'll skip it on this occasion. Now choose the right option, which is to choose a template and use Wix editor. Now, this will give you a whole bunch of different templates you can use. On the left-hand side, you can see you've got different categories that you can use. I'll just go to some of the most popular ones. Now, we're looking for a website that will be appropriate for doing your presentation on blood donations. So I will look at something like possibly this one, edit. Now, if there's any pictures on there that you don't like, you can change over all the features. So this will just take a little bit of time to load. Now, this is a handy video you can watch. So after you join up, please use that time just to have a look through. It'll go over the different features and different things that you can do. I'll skip it for now, and I'll just show you the basics. So here you can change over the text. If you click on the image, you can delete it. You can change the background as well. If you just click on that. And it gives you a whole bunch of options you can use. If you don't find anything you like, click on this button here, image, and you're able to upload your own media. So if there's any photos, any graphics, any pictures that you've found that you want to use, then you can upload it that way, and that way you have access to it through the editor and you can upload it yourself. Now I'll just choose something like that, and I will change over the text as well. So you go edit text, blood donations. If it's highlighted, you can change the size, make it bold, change over the font as well, whatever you need to do. And then if you want to change color as well, easy as that. And you can drag and drop them wherever you need to. Then the little other features you can see around the border, you can change over, you can get rid of if you don't want it. You can change this to your own details. And then you can also insert text. So on the left we have here add text, and if you go down you can see there's some paragraphs. So I want to put in some information about blood donations, so edit text, and I want to make it bigger because you can hardly see it, and change the color so it's easier to see. Now from there you can change over little bits and pieces. So I can see that my background's probably not appropriate because I can't really see my text. So I might change over my background again. and then you just change it according to what you want. Now, you can also insert new pages. So if you click on, can you see just here in the middle, we've got home, our vision, menu, order online, blog, contact us. So that's different pages within this website. So if you click on that and you say manage menu, this is all the different pages within the website. You can change it over. Now for your presentation, you're going to need to have different sections like blood types. Done. So there's one page done. Also rename this one, and we also have to discuss the science behind donating blood. Done. Also need to look at why donate, so the importance of it. And I don't need the last two pages, so I'll delete that. And I'll also delete this one. Now when I click on that page, so blood types, it will take me to that page. And now I can change over all the features. So it has all the relevant information for that page. Now that's not an appropriate picture, so I'll change that. And I might try and find something I like and upload that. But for the time being, I'll put in this. And then you can add your text and discuss the different blood types. So I'll drag and drop that in there. Edit text. Now, what you can do is press preview, and this will actually take you to a preview of your website. So as I can see here, I've got blood types, the different blood types are, and I have to put in my information. And then there's some other information which comes with the template. I obviously have to get rid of all that, but then I can also navigate my way through the other pages. So I can click on home, and that will take me to where I was before. Once you've got it to a point where you're happy, or if you have to stop working, press save. And then you can create your own website address. So I'm going to call it blood donations, and then save and continue. Now, when you get around to the point where you need to submit your work and I need to access it so I can mark it, you need to publish it. So that will make your address, your web address, live. So you just need to copy that and then send that to me through email, and we're ready to go. All right, Sevens, that's it. If you have any issues, please let me know, but good luck with your presentation. Thank you.